Today, I'll show you how to create a channel in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So first things first, press the options button and go to social. And then from here, find any friend, whether online or offline. So let's use this one. Click on details and then scroll to channel, select it, and then select create channel. So at this point, you can name your channel. And then once done, you can invite a few friends. Let's invite 5 of them. Then select invite to channel. So once you go back and then go to the party channel, and from here you can see the created channel. You can open it and you can see the members, you can see the text chart, and you can customize the chart to your liking. Thanks for watching and good luck.